Yeah, so I'm going to invite a couple of partners to join us on set. Mestil Hotel, Sheila, you're very welcome. Followed by NTV Uganda. Bonnie is going to represent NTV Uganda, Africa Broadcasting.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alex Mhanji. I'm the CEO of Comedy Store Uganda. I'm very proud to be here today. We're here because of the fundraising charity concert that we're doing tomorrow, Friday, at Kololo Independence Grounds. And as you can see, like we had promised on this fundraiser, these are the stars that we promised you. Nameless is here from Nairobi, Kenya. Good to have you. Diamond Platinums is here from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Good to have you. And the rest of our Ugandan artists that are coming through to support us. First of all, we'd like to thank our sponsors, our partners. Thank you so much for supporting us. It means a lot. The reason for this concert is that you all know, as Comedy Store, I've always seen you guys come through to our charity concerts, to our charity events, and you've seen us support some charity homes. So we were doing that on a quarterly. Now, our charity homes came together under their own foundation and said, as Comedy Store, why don't you do one big concert where we could support each other on a one go, as opposed to us waiting for quarterly events. So we came up with this event, and that's why we are here. So we're looking forward to a great show tomorrow, and I would like to thank you all for your support. I think that's it.
Thank you for that. I think as time goes on, we'll dig deeper into why the charity and why our different partners thought it was important to get on board with us. We also have Fortbet Uganda in the building. They'll be joining us on site. So we thank all our partners: XFM, Urban TV, Auto Show Kampala 2023, Fortbet, Spark TV, Galaxy FM, Pepsi, Success Motors, Uganda Airlines, NTV Uganda, and of course Mestil Hotel, our hosts today. So I'm going to take it to Sheila.
Sorry to talk about that. But as number one radio station, we have worked hand in hand with Alex and Comedy Store on all his concerts, and we hope to keep working together throughout. And well, we're going to have a good time tomorrow. Expect madness. However much we're doing charity, we're going to have a good time.
That's very true. That's very true. Thank you so much, team. Since we started this and the activations we've been doing, moving around, yesterday had a really major road activation around town, and while we're going to be down at the airport. And there's one partner that really made that possible, facilitating transport, that giving us the fleet of cars that we use, and that's none other than Success Motors. You've really showed up on this one, and you've been there with us in the different shows we've held in Kampala and outside of the city, in the countryside. So we are very honored to have you. Please talk to us.
Thank you so much, MC. First of all, I want to welcome Simba. You're welcome to Uganda. Nameless, you're most welcome. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all the media houses, and largely thank Comedy Store and Alex Mhanji and other business partners. I am Isaac Barunda from Success Motors, a company that sells cars here in Uganda. And I came in to support
Habari zenu? Habari zenu? Oh, good, good. Naona mnajua Kiswahili. For me, Uganda is basically my second home. I think my first concert became with the Bopa DJs in 2002. So we are doing 20 years of family, you know. So I always feel at home when I come here. I'm also feeling at home right now in this beautiful hotel. I've been here 2 or 3 times before. So when Alex called me about this concert, I was very happy to be part of this good cause. It's a good cause where it's entertainment, a lot of partners who come together. As you can see, it requires very many people to come together to make something like this happen. But also helping people while other people are having fun. So, of course, as you've heard, if you buy a ticket, a portion of it is going to help Ugandans somewhere. So I'm very happy to be part of this. I know the lineup is amazing. As you can see it right here, from all the Ugandan artists. I'm representing Kenya. This is an East African thing. Of course, Diamond, you know how he does his thing, man. You know, so it's a guarantee to be a show full of high energy, good music, and an organized concert. So I'm just happy. This is my brother from another mother. Thank you for having me. It's an honor, and yeah, I'm just ready to give guys a good time. Yeah, so we recommend that guys buy the tickets, come through, support a good cause, and come ready to have a good time. It's going to be amazing, an amazing night. And thank you guys for having me one more time.
Thank you, Nameless. We're always honored to have you back in town. Diamond, it's been a while. 2019, a lot has happened. Of course, COVID happened. Then you've released a lot of hits since. Then the reality show, Fantana happened. I mean, yeah. So, what are you looking forward to this time around in Uganda? What should the Ugandan community expect from you this time?
Well, first of all, as you know, it's been a while I've ever been here. And Uganda to me is like my home. As you know, my kids are from here. So this is my home as well. And apart from the entertainment and everything, but the fact that the event is about, apart from the entertainment and everything, but the fact that the event is about giving back to the community, to me is something very special. And I want to make my people happy. I want to make my East Africa happy, proud. As you know, I'm from here. To me, when I'm in Uganda, it's like I'm in Tanzania, because I'm from the East Africa. So it's like, I'll be making you guys proud. I'll be showing you guys you've got best talents, best artists, and I want you guys to be happy, and I want you guys to be entertained. It's like, it's been a while, never been here since that COVID, as you say, so it's gonna be a good time.
Thank you. When I was watching Young Africans and Young Famous and African, you said you're Simba, so you love to go hunting every time. A lot of ladies were excited when they knew you were coming to Uganda. They are ready to get hunted. So I don't know if that's on your schedule, but you'll let us know. This event is going to. Oh,
yeah.
Yes.
I won't mind. Let's go, as long as it's safe. I'm a Muslim, I'm allowed to have 4 wives. And I don't even have 1 wife yet. So they still have a lot of chances. So it's up to you, ladies. Let's go.
All right, ladies, you've heard, eh? Hey, my turn. So this event is going to be produced by Fenon Events. They're doing our stage lighting, production, and you know, every time Fenon is in the building, you know what to expect. It's over 100%. Alice is in the building. Alice, you want to come and say something? It would really be bad if we didn't hear what Fenon is putting together. Alice got a little.
Being beaten up, thrown on police cars for fighting for copyright in Kenya. I hope next time you join him on that fight because it benefits all of you. Thank you.
I think I have a couple songs with some of my friends from here as well, but they're not out yet. And we'll be hitting the studio today with Splash Diana. So I think before I leave, you guys should expect something from me and one of the finest from here. So everything is sorted.
Check. All right. Yeah, I know there's been a fight for copyright for very long. I mean, since I entered the industry 5 years ago, it's been there. It's been consistent. That's the pain of young industry. Things are not yet always the way they should be. And fighting comes in different ways. Sometimes fighting comes in boardrooms, sometimes fighting comes in the back of a police car. But we're all fighting for the same thing, and we talk with him a lot, and we're like, you have to use different ways. Sometimes you use diplomatic ways, sometimes you use, unfortunately, some rough ways, yeah. So the fight, we're all in the same fight.
Thank you, Elvis. Speaking of Eric Omondi, he's on this one as well. He's going to be hosting a concert tomorrow. He's not in the country. He arrives tomorrow morning, so look forward to that performance. Is always crazy. Viola from Spark TV. Get the mic.
I have some few questions for Diamond Awamuko. We see you with Zari most times, and you guys, you always tell us that you're cooperating. But social media in-laws always say that you're soon getting together. How true is this? And
So social media say what?
you're soon getting together, you and Zari, as a couple.
Does it look that way?
Sorry?
Does it look that way?
No, that's what they are saying. So we want to know from you.
I know, I think we just co-parenting and we respect each other. As you know, everybody has partner, so there's nothing going on, it's just we respect each other. I think maybe we try to be more than we try to be more urban, try to be more, I don't know, but we don't want to entertain negativity when it comes to our kids, and we try to make it more professional. That's why when you see our kids, when they're around us, they're more comfortable, because sometimes we want to make the kids stressed. They can be stressed for no good reason, so we don't want to stress our kids and all that. So, and sometimes you don't even want to show them if you're, especially for me, like, I don't even show my kids if I'm dating or something. They think I'm still dating their mother. So it's like, it's just the way of how I don't want to stress my kids, because I know what I went through when I was a little kid, seeing my mother without seeing my dad together. It was a little bit stressful too. So, of course, the life has to go on. Everybody has to do how his stuff, but then when it comes to the kids, we always come together and we make sure that the kids are safe.
We had rumors about the separation of Harmonize and his wife that you involved in. Is it true?
That's something new, I've never heard that one.
So you want a clarification from you?
I know nothing about it. I swear to you, I know nothing about it.
Okay, alright. How is your relationship with our own Eddie Kenzo?
Eddie Kenzo is my friend.
Right?
Yeah, I've hosted him back in the days in Tanzania, and I don't know if he's around, but most of the time when we meet, like, we cool brothers, and I think we had a song together, we've done something together. I've done a lot of songs with different artists from here. Most of them are my family and my brothers, like Jose Chameleon. I respect Jose Chameleon so much. And fortunately, we still don't have a song together yet, but I would love to have a song with Jose Chameleon. That would be one of my dreams, because I respect him. He's been one of my role models, and I love him. type of music that he does is like my favorite. So I love to the song with Jose Camilo, Eddie Kenzo, my brother, and it's Plus Diana.
All right, that was my last question.
All right, Benjamin,